Care to Care is coming together with Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield Foundation, looking to help people experiencing food insecurity through prescription pantries. The program is called Food as Medicine. The partnership will connect people with nutritious food as part of their overall health care. About 2,900 patients were screened for food insecurity during medical visits and connected to healthy groceries through Feeding America's prescription pantry program. The director of the program shares how this program's sole purpose is to help those in need.
If your diet is better, your health is better. And so we want to contribute to that. And our RX Pantries is one way for food as medicine, but also we have been trained, our kitchen is trained, we have menus ready for different diagnoses to be able to partner with clinics or healthcare setting to be able to provide the food.
In Kentucky, the program improved food insecurity by 7%. 9% of people improved nutrition security, meaning participants reported more access to healthy foods. There are 32 prescription pantries across the world.